Hi grade 3s! Miss Vasvary's out on a field trip. I'm in my backyard and I'm looking at my trees because I think I have some maple trees and I'm seeing if I can figure out which ones those are so I can see if I can make some maple syrup. So I'm going to teach you how to figure out if you have maple trees as well. So here you can see that coming out of one twig there are 1, 2, and 3 branches. Do you see how they're all coming out of the same area? That means that yes, this is a maple tree. I've moved to another tree now that's not a maple. Do you see this branch where the little twigs, they're coming out, but they're not all coming out in the same area? There's one coming out here, but not one on the other side. There's one coming out here, but not one on the other side. Whereas when you look at the maple tree, you have the same kind of twig, but they come out both sides. So one's coming out this side, and one's coming out that side. That's how you can tell if you have a maple tree. I'm going to identify all the maple trees I have, and then we'll get to part 2, drilling for maple taps. Hi, we're back outside again, making maple syrup. I've identified which trees are my maple trees, and now I'm going to be showing you how to put the taps in. So here, I already have one of the trees with a tap in it. So this is as big as my hand, so it's just a little tap, a little pipe coming out, so that when the sap comes out, it'll come out of the tree, down through the pipe, and I'm going to put a bottle here to catch it. You'll see that later. But as you can see, this tree has two trees in it. So I'm going to tap the second tree now. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm going to take a drill. Now this drill is pretty dangerous, so if you do have maple trees and you're trying this at home with the supplies, make sure you ask for an adult's help with this part. You're going to put it up to the tree on the south side. So remember when we did north, south, east, west? I want this part of the tree to be the part that's facing south. Then I'm going to put the drill at an angle like this and drill into the tree. Go too far. I think I want to go a little farther than that, but not too far. Maybe about 4 or 5 centimeters. Let's try again. Okay, I'm going to pull that out and we're going to try to put the tap in. So here I have another tap. I'm going to put it into the hole and I'm going to hammer it. So I'm going to put you down for just a minute so I can hammer it. Alright, it's in most of the ways. I'll do a couple finishing taps. And it's set up to go. Now what I like to do is take I use just 2-liter bottles from Pepsi, Coke. I also have a milk jug, whatever recyclable you have. I asked my neighbors for a few, and you can cut a hole. Inside. It's just a little bit bigger than the tap. And oh, you can watch how I put it on. So here's the tap. I put the pipe through the hole. I push the bottle up until it's hanging on. Can you see the little tap in there? All the sap is going to come through the tap down into the bottle, and it's going to pool here as a liquid. It won't look like syrup right away. That's going to be a step that we're going to do once we've collected a lot of very watery looking sap. So stay tuned and we'll see how long that takes. I'll give you updates and we'll come check out to see how much sap we're getting every couple days. Alright, bye!